Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in a study group. First, it's super important to set clear goals for what you want to achieve in each session. Think about what topics you'll cover and what questions you need answered. Also, aim for a group of 3 to 5 people. This size often works best for productive discussions. Make sure everyone knows their role and brings all their materials, like notes and textbooks, to the meeting. This preparation makes a huge difference. Once your study session begins, active participation is key. Really listen to what your group members are saying and how they explain things. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions if something isn't clear. It helps everyone. A fantastic way to solidify your own understanding is to explain a complex concept to the group yourself. Try to keep the conversation on track, focusing on your pre-planned agenda to maximize your time together. To truly maximize your learning, incorporate effective techniques. Using a whiteboard or a shared online document can help visualize complex ideas, making them easier to grasp. Regularly quizzing each other on key terms and concepts is incredibly effective for retention. Also, work through practice problems as a group, discussing various approaches. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to keep everyone refreshed and focused. After your study group session concludes, it's important to follow up. Take a few minutes to summarize the main points covered and any action items for each member. Go over your personal notes and integrate any new insights or explanations you gained from the group. Make sure to complete any individual follow-up tasks or practice problems. Finally, plan your next session, deciding on topics and who will lead which parts to keep the momentum going.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.